Thank you for tuning in today for another informative video on Mike Masters Presents. Punta Cana has gained lots of attention for its climate, beaches, resorts, and various other attributes. Now, you might be contemplating real estate investment to secure your retirement or a secondary getaway, escaping the typical cold weather you experience back home. It's possible you're considering an investment to generate rental income. Regardless of your motive, each being entirely valid, one question exists. How well acquainted are you with Punta Cana? In today's video, I will be sharing fun facts that can shed light on your potential future home or business location. While there is an abundance of facts to explore about Punta Cana, today I'll primarily mention its geographical location, its regions, the latest statistics on tourism, and the most recent census data. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Fun fact number 1. The name of the country where Punta Cana is located is the Dominican Republic. The area commonly referred to as Punta Cana falls within the province named La Altagracia. You might have come across this name, especially when addressing mail to Punta Cana, and its initial mention possibly left you a bit confused. Its capital is called Higüey. La Altagracia is among the 31 provinces within the country, with Punta Cana situated on the province's far eastern edge. Currently, it is the leading province of the Dominican Republic in terms of tourism. It's home to the Punta Cana International Airport, which is the most important airport on the island, the airport with the highest volume of visitors month after month, year after year. Fun fact number 2. Punta Cana is not just one area of the eastern region. It covers the areas of Cap Cana, which is home to some of the top shelf resorts, golf courses, beaches, marina, and much more. Punta Cana, which is where it all began, and it's like saying New York, New York, meaning the city. Then you have Verón, Cabeza de Toro, Bavaro, which is the most popular tourist destination spot, as well as where the majority of the all-inclusive resorts are, not to mention the most popular beach destination, Macao, and Uvero Alto, which is where many other popular resorts are located, with reports of other major brands going into this area soon. Fun fact number 3. The Minister of Tourism, Mr. David Collado, has reported that as of July 2023, 792,981 tourists have visited the Dominican Republic. 652,506 were foreigners, and 140,475 were Dominicans, representing a growth of 34% over 2019, 41% over 2021, and 8% over last year. For the first time, the country registered the arrival of 6,295,667 visitors in the first 7 months of the year. It is possible it reaches 10 million by year's end. So where do most travelers go when visiting the Dominican Republic? In 5th place, we have Puerto Plata. In 4th place, we have La Romana. In 3rd place, we have Samaná. In 2nd place, the capital, Santo Domingo, and not surprising, the number 1 travel destination in the Dominican Republic is Punta Cana. Fun fact number 4. The census numbers are out. The Dominican Republic has a population of 10,760,028 inhabitants. Leading the charts with 5,437,095 are females, followed by 5,322,933 males. It seems like in the near future, it's possible the Dominican Republic will have more tourists visiting than actual inhabitants. I can talk for hours just going over the many facts about the Dominican Republic that you may not know. The ones I mentioned today have to do directly with the geographical position of Punta Cana, the areas that many may not have known are part of Punta Cana, the tremendous growth in tourism that keeps shattering records in the Dominican Republic, and the growth in population. So one question still lingers. Are you still debating whether investing in real estate in the Dominican Republic is a good move, if it's profitable? Today's video may have given you some insight on its growth and popularity, and maybe you just need that extra motivation to do so. Or maybe after seeing these numbers today, you're ready to make a move before somebody else gets ahead of you. Whatever your case, I'm ready for you. Let's talk about it and see which investment property is right for you. Shoot me an email to info@mikemasterspresents.com or mikemasterspresents@gmail.com. You can also text me or call me direct if within the U.S. or via WhatsApp if outside the U.S. to 484-944-1621. And I encourage you to subscribe to my channel because I am always releasing videos on new investment opportunities as well as videos that remind you of the opportunities that are still available. And after watching my videos, please give it a like so the algorithm can push my content to others like you who can benefit from this information. Don't forget to visit my webpage, MikeMastersPresents.com, and follow me on Instagram at MikeMastersPresents. Until next time, have a great day.